So here we have for you a quick unboxing of the Ring motion detector. I recently bought the 5-piece Ring alarm kit, but I wanted a second motion detector to go with that kit, which is exactly what I've got right here. And inside the box should be the motion detector itself, a battery and a quick start guide. So let's get in there and have a quick look. And there we go, everything from inside the box, 5 things total. First off, okay, most important, we've got the Ring motion alarm here, motion detector. So we've got a couple of little clips just here on the back for the wall mount of some description. A little tag here, pull to power on. Okay, so when we are ready to go, we want to pull this just to power on the device. Okay, clearly you've got the main sensor array in there with the Ring branding, nice clean white, very lightweight. I can see a little clip in there. There we go. Okay, so that just opens it all up. You see we've just got a standard battery in there. Okay, we're going to put that back together just for now. Just clips together, nice and easy. Next up in this little back is this. Literally tells you, so we've got a mounting bracket, mounting tape again, anchors and mounting screws. So basically all the kit you need to mount the motion detector on the wall wherever it is you want to pull it. Based on the size of the screws and the little wall plugs, you're going to need some kind of screwdriver or drill to make the necessary holes to get that in. And we've also got a little quick start guide, which I imagine is going to tell me first complete the in-app setup, then install the device in your home, how to change the battery. Yeah, there we go. So we've got a page and a half of instructions in English just there to follow. So relatively straightforward. Overall, yeah, very simple, looks good. Can't wait to give it a go.